me what's going on.
I can't explain. Listen, only thing I can explain to you is that the motherfucker done hit my goddamn car and he ain't got all this shit together. Now he want to sit here and lie and play around. He tried to run. I got his ass him down right here under my knee. This motherfucker sitting right up under me. He trying to run and shit, bro. Listen, just meet me on Haverhill. Like Haverhill. What the fuck this store is?
I'm in West Palm Beach. I'm in Belgrade. I can't.
Bro.
I'm not in.
What you want me to call? Well, I'm just gonna go and call the police. Then y'all gonna have to figure this shit out, bro. You need to call somebody, bro. Y'all need to call some motherfucker about it, bro. Hell no. What they gonna help for me? I'm the one in this situation right now. What they gonna help for me?
Okay, if you the one asking the questions and shit, you gonna be rude about it. I just want to actually want to call his mom.
Listen, bro. I'm not being rude to you. Listen, you not listening to me. You don't understand what situation I'm in, bro. I'm not being rude to you.